Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you have started a business and you have opened a store and you want to add your store location into Google Maps, then be with me because in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your business or your store to Google Maps. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, you just have to open Google Maps, okay? Just search for Google Maps and go to the official website of Google Maps. So I will select a random place from here, but you have to select your store's location. Let's suppose that I have just opened my store here. So I will just click here. Now you have to right click here and you have to click on this add your business. So here in the business name, you have to write the name of your store. For example, I will just write as Urban Salon, okay? And in the business category you have to write as barber shop. This is just for demonstration purpose. You can just write according to your situation. After that you have to click on this next, and here you have to click on this yes and go to next. After that you have to select the country, and here you have to write the street address. You have to carefully write the street address here because Google will send you a pin so that you may just verify that street address. So you have to carefully write your street address. So just for demonstration purpose I will just write it. Here they are asking about your store again, so you can just zoom it from here so that you may select the exact location. Let's suppose that I will just select this place, and after that I will click on this next. And here you have to give your contact number, and if you have a website then you can just write it here. As I have no any website, so I will click on this option. Now the next step is the verification of your phone number, so I will click on this text. I will get a code on my phone number and I will simply write it here, and after that I will verify this code. If you want to change the schedule, then you can just do it from here. I will just skip it for now and I will go to next. And here again, if you want to receive messages, then you can just check this option. So I will just skip it for now. Here you can just write a description about your business, okay? You may have different photos of your store. You can just upload it here, okay? Okay, it's almost done. Google will verify your address, and once you are verified, then your store will be added to Google Maps, okay? This is how you can add your store or your address to Google Maps. These further settings, and you can just change the settings from here. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.